How are you?
Good, how are you?
Any reason why you're filming the police station?
Yeah, there is a reason, yeah.
What is the reason?
Can you please identify yourself first?
Right from the outset, you can feel the tension building. A journalist is filming outside a police station, fully within their rights, while the officer tries to figure out the purpose behind the recording. This is a classic clash between public freedoms and security concerns. Listen closely to the questions being asked and the repeated requests for the journalist's identity and intentions. The tone is calm, but the underlying tension is unmistakable.
Can you please identify yourself first?
I'm Sergeant Mark Coates.
Sergeant Mark. And shoulder number?
Shoulder number's there.
5377.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I'm independent journalist. I'm gathering footage for a story.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes.
Have you got a press pass?
I'm independent. So.
Okay, you don't work for anyone then?
So do you know what independent
No, but
is?
as in, are you working for a particular company?
No, I'm independent. I work for myself.
So what is the purpose of filming today?
Just gathering some footage for a story, sir.
What's the story?
I cannot tell you. I'm still working on it, so I cannot say.
But what is the reason that you're filming? Because this is a secure police building.
Yeah.
We obviously have to ask questions why people are filming.
Yeah. And I told you.
You said it's for a story, but you haven't told me what the story's about.
But I don't have to tell you what the story is about. I'm still working on it, right? So it's not finished. If it's finished, when I publish it, you'll see what the story is. But I'm still working on it, so I don't want to compromise my story.
You're not going to compromise the story, because I'm not. From my point of view, I just need to be happy you're here for the right reasons. Yeah. Because police officers and police buildings are potential targets for terrorism and attacks, etc. So I have to be happy. The reason why you're here.
So how can I make you happy?
By telling me what the idea is your story is about.
I cannot tell you about the story. I'm just gathering some footage, so I'm an independent journalist, and that's it really.
But you've got a story in mind.
Yeah, I do have a story in mind, yeah.
So I need to know what that story is about. Is it to do with what the security like around the police building, what the coming and goings?
I cannot tell.
Because the route we're going to go down is you're going to be stopped and searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Whereby we will seize your phone, we'll look at your phone and say,
you're going to seize my phone?
We can seize your phone if we feel we have to.
What grounds, sir?
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
But what grounds? What grounds?
I'm just telling you, let me explain.
Okay.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you can be stopped and detained and searched. And part of that search, we can look at your phone and we can see what photographs you've got.
Yeah, but
don't turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Turn your phone off, we will see.
No, I'm not turning my phone off.
Right, so that's the route we can go down. I'm not saying we will go down that route, but at the moment, I'm not satisfied. The reason why you're filming here, you've told me it's for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But,
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want to.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
This is the turning point. The officer brings up Section 43 of the Terrorism Act to justify inspecting the journalist's phone, claiming potential security issues. The journalist, however, firmly stands by their right to continue recording. This moment perfectly captures the friction between police powers and civil liberties. Notice how the officer lays out the legal reasoning while the journalist calmly protects their footage and asserts their rights.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment in Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because you seem to be trying to for a story.
Yeah, I'm an independent journalist.
Yeah, tell me that.
Yeah.
But you can't tell me what the story's about.
But,
do not turn your phone off.
No, I'm not turning it off. I don't want. No.
I'm going to seize your phone now.
I'm not turning.
I'm going to seize your phone at the moment under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because you seem to be trying to turn it off.
No. Just because I couldn't hold it. Please keep recording. Keep recording. Yeah. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I want to keep recording, sir. I want to keep recording.
You can still record. Okay. But on two occasions you went like that to press a button.
No. Because I'm just filming and I just want to make sure I hold it correctly. I don't want to stop filming. Please keep filming. Oh, now it's stop filming. I want to continue filming. Can I continue filming?
Have you got any ID on you, sir?
Sorry.
Listen to my.
Sorry, I just want. Sorry. Can I just want to record, yeah, just to make sure.
Isn't your GoPro filming?
Yeah.
Is your GoPro
I'm
filming?
not sure. Sorry. Hold on. I don't want to turn it off.
Do a favour, mate. Could you go into the front office and see if they're aware
Yeah.
of this
So
gentleman
can you please record me? Can you record me?
No. Listen to what my.
Yeah, but I just want to make sure.
This is all being recorded anyway.
Okay.
Audio and visual.
Okay.
Have you got any ID, sir?
So, have I committed a crime?
Well, right. We'll go down the route then. You're now detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You're going to be stopped and searched. Part of that, I need your details so I can check to see who you are, and we have the power.
But you're abusing. Okay. So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
I'm not saying I'm going to arrest you. I'm saying you'll be detained. I've asked you the reason why you're filming.
Yeah.
You've told me for a story.
Yeah. I'm independent journalist.
Which is fine. I understand that. But you can't tell me the story. So
I cannot tell you the story, right? Because I'm working on it. It's not finished yet, sir.
But you must have the context.
Yeah, I'm just walking around and film in the city of London.
And you're filming a police station.
Yeah, why not? I'm staying on a public right?
Yes,
This is a public payment.
Yep.
So you took my phone, right?
I've took your phone because
This interaction is a clear example of where legal authority and public rights meet. Section 43 does allow officers to stop, search, and examine devices, but it also includes strict guidelines and limitations. The journalist is exercising their rights, while the officer is trying to apply the law carefully. Understanding both perspectives helps highlight why knowing your rights is essential when filming in public, especially around sensitive locations.
I think you were trying to.
No, I don't want to. I just want to be filmed because I want to make sure what I'm doing is right. I'm not hiding. I want to keep filming. I don't want to stop filming. Please film me. Can I have? So you seize my phone, and I'm not happy with seizing my phone.
We haven't seized it. We've taken it off you.
Well, we take it, but it's not in me.
It's
not in me. No, I don't want to turn it off. I want to continue filming. Can I have my phone and continue filming, sir?
At the moment, you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Part of that is we are going to examine your phone for photographs you've been taken today, and power to do that is under Section 43. And also, I need to do some name checks on you, so I need some of your ID.
Okay. So if I don't give you my name, are you going to arrest me?
Not particularly, but we will make some more inquiries. The quicker we get your ID, the quicker we can check.
So if it is a lawful order, I give him a lawful order to give my identity.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, you are detained. As part of that, we have the power to look at your phone and also do some checks on you and to search you.
Okay, but so is it a lawful order?
It's an order. It's a power.
I give him a lawful order. So if you give me a lawful order to give you my name and date of birth, I'm gonna give it, but under the threat of arrest. If you don't give me
a threat of arrest.
So if it's not under the threat of arrest, I don't want to give it.
Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, we need to do some checks on you. Have you got? You are detained for a search.
Oh, I'm detained. Okay, I'm not gonna answer any questions.
Take your bag off, please.
Okay,
I'll put your phone away for the time being. Okay.
I do not agree on any search procedures.
Right. Shall I explain why you've been detained then?
Explain. What are the grounds?
Because you are seen outside the police station filming. As we've passed you, you're holding your phone like this, so we can photograph yourself, but clearly filming the gate. Part of that gate is a security pad, so I don't know whether you're filming to see if officers are pressing that to get access to the building. This is a police building. You gave a reason, you're an independent journalist and you're making a story. Story. But you can't tell me the context of that story, you can't tell me why you're here.
I told you.
You haven't.
I told you, sir.
What's the story about that?
I told you, I'm just walking around London and filming.
But you said you're making a film about the police station.
Police station, whatever I see, maybe the other things I see.
What's the reason for that?
I'm independent journalist. This is what the journalists do. Go around and film. That's it.
But there's got to be the story you're doing.
Yeah.
There's some context to that story.
Yeah, but the context, I don't know what I'm going to see, right?
That's why you've been searched. Because you can't tell me why you're here.
I don't agree. I don't agree on any search procedure. Okay. Sorry. What's your name and the show number?
5458.
5458. Okay. Okay.
So are you recording that just for information?
I hope so.
Okay, that's fine. Have you got any?
But I don't answer any questions.
Right, I'm going to ask you one question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that can harm me or harm
I don't answer any questions.
That's fine. I'm Sergeant Mark Coates. Warrant numbers 218.
Sergeant Mark Coates.
218186 attached to Southwark Police Station. You are
218186.
You are detained under Section 43.
I don't agree. I don't agree with any search procedure. I'm gonna file a civil claim against you because you're violating my rights. I'm staying on public property, peacefully exercising my rights to film in public. I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't seen you done anything
What
wrong.
grounds do you have to believe I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were a terrorist.
So why are you using Section 43 of Terrorism Act if I'm not a terrorist?
Nice and calm. Because you are filming outside a police station.
But you said I'm not a terrorist, sir.
I didn't say you were a terrorist. I said you're detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So do you think I'm a terrorist?
I didn't say you were.
Why are you using Section 43? You have to have a reasonable grounds to believe I'm a terrorist.
Because you're seen outside the police station filming a keypad and officers going in and out.
But that's not real ground.
But in this current role, obviously, a lot of police officers are targeted by people who wish to do us harm.
You don't have reasonable grounds, sir.
Well, this has been explained to you, and this can be argued at another time.
I don't agree with any search procedure.
I'm going to explain more on the time.
Okay.
The reason you're being searched is you was observed holding your phone like this, looking at yourself. We're just dealing with something at the moment. Okay. There's a secure door there with a keypad. While you've been filming, officers have been coming and going. As far as I'm concerned, that footage you have might have got their keypad code, which means you could gain access to that building. I'm not saying that's the reason you were doing it, but that could be the reason. And obviously that's a security risk for us. When I've asked you the nature of why you're here, you said you're a journalist.
Sir.
Let me explain to you.
Okay.
You've asked me to explain.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to explain to you. You told me you're a journalist, which is fine, and you've got the right, you're in a public place to do that. But when you're filming a secure building and a police building and an electronic keypad and officers coming and going, when I asked you why you're doing that, you told me it's because of the story. If you had a story, then you would know what the grounds for that story was. Unless you just woke up today and thought, I'm going to go to the police station to film, And I've asked you what the story is about. Is it for your personal use? Is it going to go on to a magazine? Is it going to a newspaper? And you can't tell me that reason because you said you haven't got a story yet. So that gives me grounds to suspect that you may not be here for that reason. Therefore, you are detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. You will be searched, your phone will be searched, and we will look at photographs on your phone. Does that explain it to you?
I don't answer any questions.
Have you got anything on you that's going to
I
harm?
don't answer any questions.
I'm going to ask the question. If you don't interrupt me, I'll ask the question. If you don't want to answer, you don't have to. Have you got anything on you that could harm me or you?
I don't answer any questions.
Okay. Step away from the wall. You can put your arms down. Put your arms up. Have you ever been arrested before, sir?
I don't answer any questions. You're violating my rights. I'm gonna file a civil lawsuit against you. I've done nothing wrong.
Explain the reason why you've been searched.
I've done nothing wrong. I'm standing on the public sidewalk. You're violating my rights with this search. I don't agree on that. You seized my phone. You searched me. You took it away from me.
Because I believe you were attempting to switch it off.
But you cannot stop me of doing what I want with my phone.
I asked you twice not to try and touch your phone because I believe you might.
Yeah, because my hand was tired.
You keep talking over me. I can't explain unless you let me explain to you.
I don't answer any questions.
Shall I? Well, you don't answer the question. I'm going to explain why we've got your phone. On 2 occasions, while you were filming me, which you've got the right to do, in the building, in my opinion, you attempted to switch the phone either on or off and possibly delete some footage on that phone. So
you prevent me from using my technology.
So let me finish. So I told you on one occasion, please do not attempt to switch your phone off and do anything with it, which you stopped doing. Then on the second occasion, you tried to do exactly the same. I told you if you carried on doing that, your phone will be taken off you. And that's what we've done. We haven't seized your phone. We are going to examine your phone for photographs under Section 43, but we haven't seized your phone. We have the power to seize your phone if we feel there is evidence on there. But at the moment, we haven't seized it. We've just taken it off you to stop you trying to delete stuff. Does that explain it?
I don't answer any questions.
You can turn around for me again.
This is unlawful. Unlawful. I've done nothing wrong. Yeah. We'll hear from me. I'm going to file a lawsuit against you. This is absolutely illegal what you're doing. I do not agree on searching my back.
You may not agree on it, sir, but I've tried to explain on a couple of occasions.
Yeah. I don't agree on that. This is unlawful search of my back. Unlawful. Sorry, what are you expecting to find, sir? You have to tell me what you're expecting to find from my back under Section 43 of Terrorism Act. What are you expecting to find, sir?
There may be evidence that you are using...
Like what?
If you're not going to keep talking over me, I'm not going to be able to explain to you.
Okay, you have to tell me before starting the search, actually. Can you tell me what you're expecting to find in my back and in myself?
I'll explain to you. You've been detained under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act because we have the power to search your phone and your bag and you for any article.
But you have to tell me. You have to tell me.
You don't want to talk or you do want to talk?
I just want to understand.
Any article that you may use in the event of planning a terrorist attack.
Like what?
Any article. A camera, a weapon, anything.
So you're searching for weapons?
Anything, sir. What's in this box?
I don't answer questions. Ridiculous. People think I'm terrorist now.
No one thinks that, sir.
Yeah, sure. I'm here, you're searching my back like I've done something wrong. Crazy. 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 You're violating my rights.
I've explained to you on a couple of occasions the reason why you've been detained.
You have no grounds. Please don't use them.
Wait there a second, please. The car's coming out. Only halfway now. Wait there, please.
Can I also have the water, please?
If you don't mind, you'll have that when we're finished with the search, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what's in there.
Oh, okay.
Just for safety, for everyone's safety.
Okay. A thorough search by the sergeant. Sorry, who are you, sir?
PCO O'Neill.
PC on you. Okay. And your shoulder number, please.
5459. 5459 Sierra Oscar.
You happy to do the phone, George?